Welcome to all my dear students. Myself Dr.J.K.Sali. Today we are going to learn Introduction of Scientific Office Management, Aims of Scientific Office Management, and Techniques of and Steps of Scientific Office Management. So let's start with the new topic of Scientific Office Management. Scientific Office Management. Introduction of Scientific Office Management. Scientific management is characterized by the scientific method of attack in the solution of business problems and the development of managerial techniques. The application present day scientific management use in objective experimental method that draws upon the finding of other sciences as economics, statistics, and industrial. This method of first the problem, need, or goals is stated consciously. The data to the stated problem are collected, classified, and making use of the latest fact, finding the statistical procedures. The jobs specifications, jobs evaluation, motion study, and time study in the program of evaluation review technique. Scientific office management basically involves the 2 points. The first is selection of personnel on a scientific basis. Scientific office management is characterized by the scientific method attached in the solution of business problems and the development of management techniques. Second is the training workers on a scientific basis. Introduction of specializations in the administrative and organization setup. Payment on the basis of what the workers do, not on the basis of the time and they put into the job. Aims of scientific office management. The 3 point is here. The first is to plan office layout scientifically so that waste motion, delays, etc. may be eliminated. Second is to develop and use quantitative and qualitative office work standards. And third is to develop cost consciousness on the part of the supervisors and employees to develop the more scientific personal relations by means of job, analyze training programs, personal counseling, and office manuals to develop and use qualitative office work. So, these were the various aims of scientific office management. Next is techniques of scientific office management. The first point is setting up of standard tasks. through the scientific investigation and research. Second is scientific selection, training, and placement of personnel. And third is standardization of work environment. Improvement in the motion and morale of the workers by the way of incentive plans and understanding of better labor relations. Taylor contends that the application of scientific techniques in management to the increase productivity of labor. He has advocated the elimination of waste of all types of man or material. Steps for installation of scientific office management. The first is establishment of scientific pattern for carefully analyzing office problems in industry and business. Application of mechanism to reduce labor cost to improve efficiency. Second is concentration of the control of office activities. It is the essential because everyone shares the responsibility of office management. It is quite likely that no one will do the job effectively. It is better place a competent individual in charge of office activities, the organization. Application of time and motion studies and work simplification methods to reduce waste and increase efficiency in office operations. Third is improvement of the office is another important point in the programs. The layout should be as carefully planned as that of a plant. Each individual worker's station must be properly arranged. Easy operation. Tools must be readily accessible and materials must be arranged in a sequence that eliminates as much wasted efforts as possible. Use of incentives, both functional and financial and non-financial, must be made to increase output and efficiency of organization. Measurement of actual clerical output is one of the most effective tools for increasing efficiency and cutting the cost. It is obvious that only clerical activities and measured can one know how much it costs to file a paper or write a letter or how much one clerk is expected to produce in one day. Application of quality and quantity standards controls is the final steps. These are necessary for the control of office activities. It is the obsolete, duplicate, unnecessary records by the specifying the record, destruction to the schedules. So these were the various steps for the installation of scientific copies management. Thank you.